Is it working? It is. Okay. So we want to list the possible rational roots of f of x equals 4x squared minus 6x plus 5. So the first thing I need to do, find all the factors of my plain constant. So what do I multiply together? It gives me 5, and it's 5 and 1, or 1 and 5, doesn't matter. And then I need to do the same thing for my leading coefficient. So what do I multiply together? It gives me 4. It's 1 and 4, 2 and 2. So to find all of my possible rational roots, I'm going to take each one of the factors of the plain constant and put it over each one of the factors of the leading coefficient. If I have a factor that repeats, like I do here with the 2's, I only need to worry about one of them. All right, so I just have 1, 4, and 2. So my possible rational roots, I'm going to start with the 5. It doesn't matter if you start with the 1 or the 5, but I'm going to start with the 5. And I'm going to do plus or minus the 5 over the 1, the 5 over the 4, plus or minus, and plus or minus the 5 over the 2. So I've done the 5 over all three of the factors of the first. So now I'm going to go to the 1, and I'll do plus or minus 1 over 1, plus or minus 1 over 4, and then plus or minus 1 over 2. Make sure all of your fractions are reduced. So 5 over 1 is 5, so plus or minus 5. 5 over 4 is reduced, so I'll just bring it down. 5 over 2 is reduced, so I'll bring it down. 1 over 1 is just 1. 1/4 is reduced. And 1/2 is reduced. And you can leave them as fractions. If you want to put them as decimals, they're all pretty numbers. I'm not going to have any repeating decimals or anything, so that would be fine as well. But these are all my possible rational roots. Okay, and like I said, this is number 7 on assignment 3.